Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Thank you very much, and good evening to all our viewers wherever you're catching us from. We just finished on behalf of His Excellency, the 60th Republican President and the President of Patriotic Front and Chair for Tonse Alliance, in paying our condolences to the family of our dear brother who has left us, Wesley Aka King Dandy. Of course, we certainly not the attempt by the UPND to try and politicize that funeral. For us, Dandy Krazy is a national asset, is an icon, a social and political commentator who expressed himself in very creative ways, through song, through poetry, and even to his death, he was actually on a trip to undertake his noble duty in the nation to entertain and to educate, and also to open the eyes of the Zambian people in relation to the welfare, whether social or otherwise. As Patriotic Front, we have chosen to take a stance of dignifying his funeral, because Dandy Krazy is among the few Zambians that also received recognition and honor from the president in 2011 because of his activism and, of course, social engagement. We heard pronouncements from government yesterday that they are going to take responsibility over the funeral, and that was highly appreciated. And of course, we take note that I think some of the notable steps that are taken is to make sure that the hall where the church service will be held is provided, indicatively Mlongush Conference Center. But we also noted that there are two other key areas that requires the input of other stakeholders. As Patriotic Front, we have taken up the responsibility of making sure that the burial site, in this case the grave at Memorial Park, is secured, and the coffin befitting the status of our comrade King Dandy is also secure. But beyond that, I want to urge all members of Patriotic Front that this funeral is our funeral. We know that there are many sentiments and everything that people may want to say around this funeral. I think it will not be within our policy for us to be responding emotionally to people who want to either be provocative or otherwise. Dandy Krazy already taught us that in unique circumstances, you should always embrace the motto, don't go back. Let's quietly, in an orderly manner, peacefully mourn him, but don't go back. And I want to urge all members of Patriotic Front across the country, particularly in two jurisdictions. Dandy Krazy has a big family on the Copper Belt. He has a big family in Lusaka. Let's all turn up in numbers and celebrate this icon in the Republic of Zambia, King Dandy. Don't go ever. Thank you very much.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.